Hello, my name is Oscar. I'm going to show you how to get access to the Need2Say dashboard and mobile application. Here we go. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen here so you can see the Need2Say dashboard. So in order for you to get access to a Need2Say dashboard, just search for the Need2Say website, and it's gonna take you right here. And all you have to do is just log in, enter your phone number, and click here where it says get code. So you're gonna get a code to that phone number. You're gonna enter the phone number, the code. So here we go. So I'm gonna enter the code 62A4049. And here I want you to select owner and then log in. So as you can see here now, I have access to a dashboard. If you're doing this for the first time, it's going to ask you to your contact information, just a little bit more information, but it's really, really easy. All right, so now what you want to do here first, you want to create a job site. You can see here that I have several job sites created. So I'm going to create a job site. So I'm going to name this this job site. It's in downtown Atlanta, and I'm just gonna say that this is in Georgia, and I'm going to click here where it says create. All right, so now that I have created the job site, as you can see, I have no workers here. I need to give access to my workers, but before I do that, I want to give access to the safety manager, the foreman, or the manager who's going to be in charge of this job site. The person that I want also to get access to his own dashboard. So what you want to do is you want to go to catalogs. I want you to click where it says users, and from here I want you to add that person. So I'm going to add this person. Here we go. I'm gonna just add the email address right here and the phone number. This is very important. 755 and the role. Okay, so if you give this person a role of an admin, that means that this person will be able to give access to other safety managers so that they can create their own job sites. If you give a role of only safety manager, that means that this person will only have access to one dashboard and be able to create job sites, but he or she won't be able to give access to new managers, safety managers, or foremen for them to create new dashboards. So just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna click here where it says create. And so now I have added this person to all of these job sites that I have created. So I added this safety manager. Now the next step is for me to add workers, to give access to workers. There are two different ways here. You can do something similar and click here where it says add workers. And so you can just enter their info and do it this way. Or you can do it the fastest way is for you to click on these three dots, click here and click where it says QR code. And so it generates this PDF document that you can just print out and share with your workers. If you have 20, 30 workers, you can just tell them, all right, guys, I want you to follow these steps, just scan this QR code, download this app. And now, then the final step, you're going to scan this QR code. As soon as they scan that QR code, they will be automatically populated into that specific job site. Remember, each job site has a different QR code. If you have a worker that it's going to be on more than one job site, you have to give access. You need to ask that worker to scan the other QR code for that specific job site so that he can also, or she can also get access to that. All right, so now I'm going to share with you what the safety manager or the worker is going to see on his or her phone. So let me share with you really quick. All right. So let me share the screen here. Here is. All right. So now something very important here. Just please make sure that you have the latest version of your iPhone. If not, the Need2Say app is not going to work. This is a new rule from Apple. So just make sure that if you have an iPhone or if your workers have an iPhone, just tell them to update their software. All right. So the first thing you want to ask your workers is to download the Need2Say app. So I'm going to download the app right now. And so this is what, I just called Victor, and I say, hey, Victor, now you're a safety manager. You have access to the Need2Say app. Download the app. And so what Victor is going to do, so once and I'm going to show you, let me show you right now. So I'm going to say allow. I'm going to start here. I'm going to enter my phone number right here. As you can see, this is the phone number I added this person. So I'm going to click here, send code. And so I just received the code. And so now it's asking, okay, name, last name. I can see it here because I added this person as a safety manager user here. So I'm going to choose native language. I'm going to say Spanish, continue. What do I want to learn? I want to learn English, continue. And so now, as you can see, it's not asking me to scan the QR code. This is because I added this person directly on the dashboard. If this person was a field worker, a trade worker, it's on this step right here. This is where they will have to scan the QR code. So this person, they don't have to do it. So all I have to do is just click here where it says continue. And so now I have access to those 3 job sites because I'm the safety manager. And as a safety manager, I can give access to this job site to other field workers. So all I have to do from the app, I can just scan the QR code. Let me show you here, this part. All I have to do is just scan the QR code and say, hey, download this app. And now, on the 3rd step, scan this QR code. And I can just give them access this way. Right now, workers, they don't have this feature. They cannot do that. Workers cannot give access to other workers. It's only safety managers, only the admin, right? Okay, and so here, this is where all the conversations are happening. In this section, this is where you have all of your workers right here, where where you have all the crew members. You have all of them. You have all of them here, right? This is where workers will be able to see one, or all the translations, everything that is happening right here. All right. So now the final thing here is that in the app, the workers can go to Chat AI and they can ask any questions about safety. And the questions can be in any language. So if I say how to use scaffolds, and I'm just gonna say according to OSHA. So this is just to illustrate, just to show you some of the features that we have here in the app. So they can ask any questions related to OSHA, and it's going to give them the answers, it's going to give them the steps, going to give them everything. And then the final part here is where they can go here to tools, and you as a safety manager, you can upload safety videos in English or Spanish and assign those videos to your workers. So in a nutshell, this is how you can give access to your safety manager, your foreman, and how you can give access to your workers, right? So just remember, keep in mind that If you want to give access to your workers, all you have to do is just click here on the three dots, click here where it says QR code, and just print this out or share it with your workers. This is the easiest way. And if you want to give access to your safety managers, what you have to do, you have to go to catalogs, click where it says users, because when you give access to someone from here, this is admin. This is the people that will have access to different features. All right, well, I hope this video was clear. Please let me know if you have any questions. You can call me, email me at any time. We're here to help you keep your workers safe and productive, and help you to grow your company and make it more profitable. Have a great day. See you. Bye-bye.